Here's how it typically works. Whenever there's a transaction on a blockchain, it will record that on the public ledger, and that is immutable and traceable in all aspects up the chain. These traces can be followed to see where the crypto assets end up. In some cases, stolen assets are moved through a series of transactions in an attempt to cover the tracks of those funds, a process known as mixing or tumbling. However, with advanced analytical tools, it's often possible to follow these trails and uncover the culprits. Many believe that crypto transactions are anonymous and untraceable, but the reality is somewhat different. Each transaction on the blockchain is recorded on a public ledger. This includes the to and from addresses involved in the transaction and the amount of crypto transferred. While these addresses may not be explicitly tied to identities like a bank account, they can be used to track the flow of assets. Let's delve deeper into how this works. To illustrate this, let's take a look at some real-life cases. There have been incidents where large amounts of crypto assets were stolen, and later law enforcement agencies, with the help of cryptocurrency forensic investigators, were able to trace these assets back to the criminals themselves and recover the funds. If you've been a victim to cryptocurrency theft or fraud, reach out to us, we're happy to help. And if you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe to us to follow for more content in the future. Thanks guys.